Welcome to DriveZone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance machines of 2025, the Chevy Corvette C8 ZL1. This beast takes the already impressive C8 platform and dials it up to a whole new level of speed, aggression, and pure driving excitement. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 C8 ZL1 makes an unforgettable first impression. The front fascia is more aggressive than ever, with larger air intakes for improved cooling and aerodynamics. Chevy has incorporated a newly designed front splitter, giving the car even more downforce at high speeds. The hood features a functional heat extractor, emphasizing both its performance and track-ready nature. The sharp LED headlights add to the futuristic and aggressive stance, making sure this Corvette looks just as fast as it is. Moving to the side profile, the ZL1 gets unique lightweight forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires for maximum grip. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly towards the rear, where larger side intakes provide increased airflow to the upgraded engine and cooling system. The widened fenders hint at the power lurking beneath, and the carbon fiber side skirts complete the race-inspired aesthetic. At the rear, the C8 ZL1 takes things to the extreme. A massive, fully adjustable carbon fiber wing sits proudly, delivering serious aerodynamic benefits for track enthusiasts. The quad exhaust tips, finished in black chrome, produce an aggressive growl that announces the ZL1's presence long before it arrives. The redesigned rear diffuser enhances both style and function, ensuring maximum stability when pushing this machine to its limits. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the ZL1 houses a supercharged 5.5-liter LT7 V8. With over 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque, this is the most powerful Corvette C8 yet. Chevy has fine-tuned the dual-clutch transmission for even quicker shifts, delivering lightning-fast acceleration. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest production Corvettes ever built. The top speed over 210 miles per hour, making it a true supercar killer. The upgraded suspension and magnetic ride control ensure precise handling, whether on the street or the track. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit gets some ZL1 exclusive upgrades. You'll find carbon fiber trim throughout, Alcantara-wrapped sport seats with aggressive bolstering, and a new digital gauge cluster featuring track-focused data. The flat-bottom steering wheel is covered in suede and features a ZL1 badge, reminding you that this isn't just any Corvette, it's a high-performance weapon. Chevy also upgraded the Bose sound system, though let's be honest, you'll probably prefer the symphony of that supercharged V8. The 2025 Corvette C8 ZL1 is the ultimate expression of performance, aerodynamics, and American engineering. It takes everything great about the C8 and amplifies it to supercar levels. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a European rival? Stay tuned for more reviews here on DriveZone.